Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for honest reviews on various products. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with a detailed review of the Schwarzkopf Keratin Color Permanent Hair Dye in the shade 2.6 Rich Soft Black. This salon-inspired hair dye claims to offer up to 80% less breakage versus untreated hair and up to 100% gray coverage.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Before we delve into the review, let's quickly overview what this product offers. The Schwarzkopf Keratin Color Permanent Hair Dye features a 3-step bond-enforcing system that strengthens hair bonds, leaving your hair up to 5 times stronger after use.
It promises to deliver long-lasting vibrant color with an anti-fade formula, maintaining the curl pattern and natural hair texture.
Additionally, it comes with a precision applicator for easy use and includes a pre-color serum containing vitamin B6 and collagen to prime the hair for an even color result. Now, let's jump into the review.
First off, I have to say that the application process was a breeze.
The precision applicator made it easy to distribute the product evenly, and the pre-color serum left my hair feeling nourished and ready for coloring.
Once applied, I left the dye on for the recommended amount of time and then rinsed it out. I immediately noticed how soft and smooth my hair felt,
which is a huge plus considering some dyes can leave your hair feeling dry and brittle.
In terms of color payoff, I was thoroughly impressed.
The rich soft black shade gave my hair a beautiful, deep color with subtle undertones that added dimension.
Plus, the color didn't fade after just a few washes like some other dyes I've tried in the past.
It remained vibrant and true to tone for weeks, which is fantastic.
Now, let's talk about the claim of less breakage. I can't speak to the exact percentage, but I did notice a significant reduction in breakage compared to when I've used other dyes.
My hair felt stronger and more resilient, which is exactly what you want when coloring your hair.
Overall, I have to say that I'm incredibly impressed with the Schwarzkopf Keratin Color Permanent Hair Dye.
From its easy application process to its long-lasting color and strengthening properties, it truly delivers salon-quality results at home. If you're in the market for a new hair dye that not only colors but cares for your hair, I highly recommend giving this one a try.
And that wraps up today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on all things beauty and beyond.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.